In this video, we will discuss about best tools and software for project management. First, we will see what is a project management software or a tool. A project management software or a tool is a program that ease and foster the project planning, execution, monitoring, control, reporting, communication, budget management, and other processes. What is the purpose of project management tools and softwares? Project management tools or software are used for planning, scheduling, tracking, resource management, budget management, communication, data sharing, data storage, remote access, integration, standard documentation and processes, reporting, collaboration, delegation, and invoicing. Now we will see the selection criteria for softwares and tools. Project management tools and software are selected according to best features, security, user interface, and pricing. There are many tools and software available for project management. Here we will discuss some of them which have best features, are more secure, provide better user interface, and price is comparatively less. Let's start with Basecamp. Basecamp is all-in-one tool for remote work. It is more productive and better organized tool having following features: message board, to-dos, schedule, documents and file, group chat, automatic check-ins. Next is Nifty. Nifty provides a central place to manage projects. It has a very fast communication system. It clears workloads, timelines, and tasks on project teams and clients for efficient control. Smartsheets. Smartsheets is a very efficient project management tool. It provides streamlined workflows through Smartsheets. It deals projects from task management to complex portfolio management. Trello. Trello is a flexible project management tool. It provides a smarter and productive platform for work. Monday.com. Monday.com is an efficient tool for project management and provides the following feature: collaborate in one central hub, improve teams coordination, and automated teams workflow. Asana. Asana is a cloud and team-based project management tool that track and manage projects with more coordinated and organized way. Asana's other features are dashboards, scheduling, planning, project map, calendar view, templates, views, creation and assignment, due dates, task prioritization, to-do lists, dependencies, mass updates, drag, drop, and recurring tasks. Right. Rike is a project management software that is used to manage and track projects. Its main features are active collaboration, team decision making, integration, deadlines, schedules, and other workflow processes management. Apache OffBiz. Apache OffBiz is a top-level project management open source ERP system. It is a powerful and flexible tool with integrated e-commerce features. It's free for download without any license fee. TeamGent. TeamGent is an online project planning and management tool. It provides access to team members to view and edit Gantt charts. It works very easier and manage workloads efficiently. Cooper. Cooper is an affordable and effective project management tool. It provides simplicity in project resource management and communication. Scoro. Scoro is a highly professional, all-in-one software tool for project management. It provides single and central place to manage your projects. Scoro increase the productivity of teams and provide creative business management. Active Collab. Active Collab provides complete control over projects. Its main features are exceptional client service, workload, deadlines, organization, process and time management. Active Collab organizes all tasks, communications, team members, and files with a single app. FreedCamp. FreeCamp is an intelligent web, desktop, and mobile-based project management tool. It focuses on tasks, subtasks, milestones, calendars, issue tracking, and time management. Hive Hive is a powerful project and process management software. It provides freedom to project team to manage projects in their way with ultimate flexibility. Hive facilitates with centralized dashboards for maximum efficiency. Intervals. Intervals is a very reliable software to track your project's time and manage them with very efficient way. Oracle NetSuite. Oracle NetSuite is a cloud-based project and business management software. It provides project teams collaborate on project for current status, issue management, access to stakeholders, real-time project information, control over project risks and issues, also an easy project setup. Dropbox Paper. Dropbox Paper is a free online tool for project management. Its important features are plan, schedule, organize, and coordinate. It's available for web, iOS, and Android system. Instagent. Instagent is a simple and powerful online software for Gantt charting used for project management. It creates schedules, task timelines, and workloads for project teams. BV Dash. BV Dash provides real-time updates and fast tracking system for project issues solution. KPI. KPI is all-in-one business management solution platform. It provides fast tracking for project time and invoicing, efficient planning, and scaling facilities. WorkZone. WorkZone is very advanced and easy to use tool. It's very effective tool for internal processes and provides fast communication. Along with project management, it also provides good storage and data sharing features. Proof Hub. Proof Hub is an online platform. It has the features of planning, organization, collaboration, and on-time project delivery. Forecast. Forecast is an intelligent professional tool for project management. It focuses on financial and operational performance. It manages projects efficiently and ensures client satisfaction. Planisware. Planisware is an advanced portfolio management software. It provides an efficient control of project and product lifecycle management. Nuvro. Nuvro is a smart and easiest project management software. It's very efficient for remote teams for project management. Giant Pro. Giant Pro is best online project management platform. It provides a loop to engage project team and clients. Giant Pro is based on Gantt charts. Microsoft Project. Microsoft Project is simple and powerful tool for project management. It provides easy interface and efficient project tracking. Trimble. Trimble supports to contractors and construction managers for efficient project management. It's used in construction projects for quality, cost, time, and safety management. Rational Plan. Rational Plan follows the PMBOK guidelines for project management. It is a powerful tool with an easy interface, provides solutions for portfolio management, resource management, and team collaboration. FunctionFox. FunctionFox is an online tool for project management. Its main features are budget management, schedule management, customized dashboard, and real-time data. SAP Business by Design. SAP Business by Design is an intelligent cloud ERP software suite. It provides real-time analysis. Spider Project. Spider Project is the most powerful and functional tool for project, program, and portfolio management. Its main features are scheduling, cost, and resource management. TriScale. TriScale is a project portfolio management software which provides hybrid solution for project planning, project execution, and product delivery. Redbooth. Redbooth main features are task and communication management. It's an efficient tool to complete projects faster and easier. Unify. Unify is a project and portfolio management software. It provides a platform to collaborate, track, and report projects and portfolios. Zoho Projects. Zoho Project is a cloud-based project management tool that helps to plan, track, and collaborate your project in a very efficient way. Xeloxys. Xeloxys provides complete project management solution. Its main features are build project plans, allocate resources based on project skills and availability, automatic cost and revenue estimates. Projectron. Projectron provides simplified resource management, helps in project preparation, planning, execution, controlling, and multi-project handling. It also supports portfolio management. Projector. Projector is all-in-one tool for project management. It's easy to use, quality-based project organizer, and open source for everyone. Easy Projects. Easy projects automate workflows, track management, budgets, and prioritize available resources. Maven Link. Maven Link is a flexible tool for project management, and its main features are resource management with real-time automation. Tactive. Tactive is a non-profit cloud-based platform which is used for reporting management. Genius Project. Genius Project have following features. It's online cloud-based, flexible configuration, integration capability, security, and easy deployment. 24/7 Office. 24/7 Office is an ERP tool having main features of project and time management. It helps out project managers to plan projects easily, project finance management, and document sharing. Clarizen. Clarizen simplify project management work to achieve the project goals, provide strategy from planning to execution, and solutions for entire project life cycle. Apache Allora. Apache Allora is an open source project hosting platform for individual projects. Plan. Plan is a project management tool used to manage large-scale projects with multiple resources. Plan mainly focus on task and time management. Collaptive. Collaptive is an open source groupware project management tool. It has a dynamic user interface and simple to use. The other features are time tracking, calendar, and PDF reports, etc. Team Desk. Team Desk is a web-based application which provides a centralized hub for project teams to track project tasks, timeline, and calendar views. It's a convenient tool for effective project management. Concept Draw. Concept Draw is a fully featured software for project management. Its main features are task and resource management, reporting, and change control. Eclipse PPM. Eclipse PPM is a project, program, and portfolio management solution. It provides improved resource utilization, communication, and collaboration among stakeholders, project managers, and team members. Group Office. Group Office is an open source groupware tool. It's easy to use and having features of shared projects, calendars, file sharing, online email with coworkers and clients. Liquid Planner. Liquid Planner is a dynamic tool specially designed for project management teams for fast-moving purpose. Its other features are manage uncertainty, cross-product visibility, adapt to change, manage resources and risks. Co-schedule. CoSchedule is a project management tool which is efficient for project idea to completion. Its other features are team management, task and flow management, project scheduling and monitoring, team and project reporting. Huddle. Huddle provides shared workspace for teams, partners, and clients to manage documents, revisions, approvals, and discussions. Brightport. Brightport is a web-based project management tool which provides efficient collaboration, planning, and time tracking. Other main features are task management, time estimation, activity log, milestones, messages, files, calendars, reports, workload, workflows, etc. HyperOffice. HyperOffice is an online project and work management system that track projects and meet deadlines on time. Its other main features are task assignment, Gantt charts, dependencies, milestones, document storage, assign tasks to individuals, and share calendars, etc. InstepBlue. InstepBlue is a project management tool with process and methods. It uses standards such as Prince2, Scrum as spice for project workflows and practice. Project Insight. Project Insight centralizes all tasks and projects into one easy to use online platform. It have capabilities to manage multiple projects and platforms. Teamwork. Teamwork is an easy to use flexible software for project management. It provides access to collaborate with colleagues, clients, and contractors. Project Manager. Project Manager is a user-friendly software that provides access anywhere on Mac and PC web browsers. Its main features are customizable dashboard, resources and time management, team collaboration, cloud-based project scheduling, and task managers. Kidasa. Kidasa is a powerful, fast, easy, and milestone professional software. It used to create timelines, streamline, and track results. Kidasa is very helpful for reports and presentations creation. Provides access to present cost and earned values. Notion. Notion is all-in-one workspace for project management and used to write, plan, and get organized. Provides real-time collaboration, embed your current tools, invite teammates, and share documents. PMA technologies. PMA Technologies develop different softwares for project management like NetPoint, NetRisk, ScheduleMD, and GPM methodology. It provides compatibility with Primavera, Microsoft Project, and other critical path method based applications. Cage. Cage is a fast collaboration software. It provides access to communicate and manage projects from anywhere. Its other features are planning, task management, task conversations, messaging, activity feeds, and notification, etc. Paymo. Paymo is a mid-level application for project management. It's a handy tool for estimations, resource scheduling, task management, time tracking, and invoicing. One pager. One pager is basically a timeline application. It's easy to use and compatible with other project management tools to import data and build Gantt charts. One pager creates real-time, data-driven, and accurate charts. Odo. Odoo is a simple and open source tool for agile project management. It have a modern interface for scheduling, organization, planning, and analyzing. Workfront. Workfront is a work management platform for project lifecycle management. It improves resource utilization, easier and real-time collaboration, budget allocation, streamline the review processes, and align team with work. Think Project. Think Project is an online tool for projects, control, and remote work. It is a digital technology based and provide construction intelligence. File stage. File stage provides simple solution to complete your projects faster. Its other features are effective communication, project members management, and data revision. Backlog. Backlog provides a single platform for multiple projects management. It have a powerful interface for team collaboration, work on code alongside project work, enhanced project transparency and integration.